My Samsung refrigerator is blinking 5 times on the small board and I have changed the compressor and starter pieces already.
Hello, are you at the back of the unit? Okay, you will see a small wiring diagram taped to the unit's back with small print. Do you see that?
Hello, in here.
Yes, on that diagram it has the 5 flash code listed. Do you see it?
It only goes up to 4.
Yes, I know, I saw the same thing. Does it look overheated?
No, it has been off for 3 weeks after we had a power outage. The relays all run through when I plug it in.
Yes, the board has likely been damaged. The flash code is not an error listed or anywhere in the tech bulletins either. I would order and replace that board for it. I have put many of them in for countless failures. This will allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions anytime, and tips are greatly appreciated. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
No problem at all. This will allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions anytime, and tips are greatly appreciated. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.